Now we are making a lane change. Good. And again, I'm gonna point this one out. There will be a brief left turn signal for the keep left at the fork.
Now take exit 29EW on the right.
But it does it somewhere here. Yeah.
In 500 feet, take the ramp on the left toward Grand Central Parkway. Now take the ramp on the left toward Grand Central Parkway.
So I'll keep on repeating that. So that might be an ambiguous left turn signal because drivers on the left lanes might interpret that I'm going back to the lane that it came from, like FSD, where FSD came from.